Hi, boys and girls. Happy Monday. It's their last day of November. And so let's start counting. Here we go with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 was Thanksgiving, 27, 28, and then I gotta grab 29 and 30 and slide the page down. 29 and 30. So today is Monday. Can you repeat after me? Today is Monday. Yesterday was Sunday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. And it also will be a new month. So we're going to say goodbye to November today. So we've been in school for August, September, October, and November. And now tomorrow we get to start the month of December. We'll be in our 5th month of school. Can you try saying those months? August, September, October, November, December. All right, you try and say those 5 months on your own right now. Did you do it? Good job. All righty, let's practice saying our dates. Today is November the 30th. Yesterday was November the 29th. Tomorrow will be Tuesday, December the 1st. Good job, you guys. Alrighty, so our letter of the week this week is the letter C. Can you say what sound the letter C makes? Did you say K? Good job. All right, we have 2 new sight words. This first sight word, Y-E-S, spells yes. The second sight word, Y-O-U, spells you. You are a fabulous student, and I miss you. We're going to work with our syllables again this week so that we can clap out the syllables. Syllables. So there are 3 syllables in the word syllable. So we're going to see some practice with that on Seesaw. We start STEM, so we go back to Mrs. Forner. So I believe you will see an activity from her starting on Tuesday. So be checking for activities from Mrs. Forner and messages. When an activity is sent back to you, it just means that maybe you missed something or you accidentally turned it in too quick and you didn't know how to get it back. So always be checking for when an activity is sent back to you, what you need to fix to make it better. And if you're not sure, just have your parents help send a message to me and I will let you know. Your writing practice pages, you can always be working on those. Our last day of the month of November, so you can keep working on these because this is the end of our November handwriting journal. Raz Kids. Don't forget to log into your Raz Kids. I have books assigned in there for you and quizzes you can take. And I'm going to keep working more and more with that this week. I also started off with your Core 5. So I have all your names over here to the right. Can't wait to start moving them into the green when you're off to a great start, and then moving them into the done category when you have gotten how many units? Did you say 8? 8 units is what you have to get every week. So you can get them all done in one day, or if you want to spread it out over the week, it is up to you. However you want to work on that. Let's see. I think that's all I had for announcements. Don't forget if you needed a uh, device for second, third, fourth, and fifth grader, there is pickup times today from 10 to 2, I think, at each of the buildings. You might want to look that up on the website. Other than that, I will be on at 6 o'clock p.m. live. I just had to do something in Lansing for the exchange student I had last year, and so I had an appointment at an office at 9:45. So it was kind of hard to get on at 10 o'clock when I needed to be in Lansing at 9:45. So I had to make this appointment 6 weeks ago. So I didn't know what today was going to look like. So anyways, I hope you guys all have a fabulous Monday. And as always, message me and let me know if you need a one-on-one Zoom. I'm always happy to meet with you, even if it's while I'm driving. So I will talk to you guys later, and I hope you have a great Monday and work hard.